What's up, people? My name is Quinell Dixon. I am a full-time Etsy seller, and I am now the host of the Handmade Hustle. Now, you're probably wondering, what am I doing here and what can you do for me? That's a great question. I have no idea. That's why I'm starting this channel. I've been selling on Etsy eagerly since 2018, successfully and full-time. And it's now 2020, and I told myself, in 2 years, I'm going to start teaching people how they can sell on Etsy and how they can have a successful business like I have today. I bet you're wondering what my business is. I started a mobile embroidery business in 2017, and since then have launched online on Etsy since 2018. I've been selling successfully on Etsy since 2018, over $100,000 making hats. I know, it's crazy. I found a niche, I stuck with it, and I ran with it. And on this channel, you're going to be hearing from me just tips, tricks, different things that I've used to help my Etsy business and to utilize my charisma, utilize my marketing strategies and everything to create the company that I have today. And I want to help you guys with that and give you guys my little tidbits on how I did it successfully for the past 2 years. So, quick intro. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys learn and love the journey that I've been blessed with, being able to stay at home with my family, my wife and my 2 kids, and just learning every single day, going through pitfalls, going through ups, going through downs, and staying encouraged through the whole process. So like this video, subscribe, because I have a lot in store for you guys as we get into the handmade hustle of how I started my Etsy journey and how you can also start yours. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.